Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard on your XIAOMI Smart L1. To change the keyboard, first you need to download a different keyboard than Gboard. To do it, go to Apps, then go to the search bar and search for any keyboard. If you know any name of a keyboard that's available for Google TV, that's pretty great, but I don't really know any, so I'll just search for keyboard. And let's click on the search button and wait a moment. Okay, now there are a few, and let's try maybe this lean keyboard, whatever it is, and let's install it. Now wait a moment, and once the app is installed, you will go to the settings. So click on the settings button on your remote, then go to all settings. Now go to system and go to keyboard. In keyboard, you'll see current keyboard, and mine isn't displayed just yet, which means that I need to go to manage keyboards to first enable that keyboard that I've downloaded. Now go to current keyboard and set it to that one that you want to set. Now once it's set, you'll see that if I go into any search bar, now this keyboard is displayed. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.